Imagine a world where your entire mobile lifestyle is redefined by a single, sleek, and impossibly powerful machine. A machine that doesn't just sit on your desk but lives in your bag, your coffee shop, and your commute, ready to unleash professional-grade performance at a moment's notice. The rumors have been swirling for months, the leaks have been trickling out of Cupertino, and the tech world is standing on the edge of its seat. Welcome to the dawn of a new era. Welcome to the MacBook Neo 2. If you're watching this right now, you're likely a part of that elite group of users who aren't satisfied with good enough. You're the person who needs the portability of an Air but the soul of a Pro. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You've felt the frustration of choosing between weight and power. You've looked at the current lineup and thought, there has to be something more. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that more looks like. We are diving into the most comprehensive breakdown of the MacBook Neo 2 ever assembled, from the revolutionary silicon that powers it to the design choices that make it the most beautiful laptop Apple has ever conceived. Let's start with the fundamental question, what is Neo? When Apple first introduced the Neo line, it was a bold experiment. It was a bridge. But the Neo 2. This is a destination. For the US audience, where efficiency and style are the twin pillars of our digital lives, the Neo 2 is being positioned as the ultimate lifestyle pro machine. It's for the creator who is editing 4K video in a park in Austin, the developer coding the next big app on a train in Chicago, and the student who needs a machine that will last them through a 4-year degree and into their first job. The heart of this beast is the rumored A19 Pro chip. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why an A-series chip in a MacBook? Because the boundaries are gone. Apple has realized that the architectural efficiency of their iPhone Pro silicon, when paired with the thermal headroom of a MacBook chassis, creates a monster. We are talking about performance per watt metrics that make the competition look like they're standing still. The Neo 2 isn't just about raw speed, it's about sustained intelligence. This chip is designed specifically to handle the heavy lifting of the new Apple Intelligence era. It's not just opening apps faster, it's predicting what you need before you even click. Think about your daily workflow. The dozens of browser tabs, the background music, the high-resolution photo editing, the constant stream of notifications. On most laptops, that's a recipe for a spinning beach ball or a fan that sounds like a jet engine taking off. But the Neo 2 is rumored to be completely fanless. Silence. Pure, golden silence. It uses a revolutionary thermal management system that wicks heat away using a new graphene-based composite. You get the power of a workstation without the noise of a server room. It's the kind of engineering that feels like magic until you use it. But let's talk about the thing you'll be looking at every single day, the display. The original Neo was beautiful, but the Neo 2 is expected to take a massive leap forward. We are looking at a 13.5-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. For the first time in this price bracket, Apple is rumored to be bringing promotion technology to the masses. 120 Hz refresh rates. Once you experience 120 Hz, you can never go back. Every scroll is buttery smooth. Every animation is fluid. It makes the entire OS feel like it's alive. And with a peak brightness that rivals the sun,